Hey guys, there's one technique I want to teach you in this video, and it goes like this. Basically for air writing, okay, what you can do is you can do this, okay, and when I'm doing that, I'm moving my hand, okay, basically like that, and I'm talking words, okay, and each time you do this, you'll learn something new. So just basically scratching the surface like this, okay, moving your hand like that will help you to talk words and it'll help you to process information. So this is a useful technique also that you can do along with that, for example. So just doing that, you know, and when you do that, you'll basically speak words and you'll air write and you'll be talking words with your hand.